My name is Stijn Vercammen and I'm Belgian. I like to take my bike to work. It's super healthy, clears my head and gives me a fresh start to the day. I'm an engineer doing a PhD on the subject of noise and vibrations of tires. The project is special in the sense that it is a partnership between a university, the KU Leuven, and a company, Goodyear. Most of the time I work here at the Goodyear Innovation Center in Luxembourg, Colmarberg. Traffic noise is an important environmental issue. More and more people are moving into cities. The traffic density is increasing, especially in Asia Pacific. Traffic noise can be a cause of sleep disturbance, stress. It can really lead to serious health issues. Tire road noise is but one of many contributors to traffic-related noise, and Goodyear is very much interested in improving the quality of life by reducing the level and impact of the sound and noise that a tire actually makes. My research aims to reduce tire road noise in line with EU regulations. As for example here I can show you the EU tire label, which has three basic criteria it shows to a consumer in order to make a conscious purchase decision. For example here on rolling resistance, wet grip and noise, and this is really what my research is about. We are here at the Goodyear ISO certified test track, where many tire road noise experiments are done. They help me in understanding the underlying physics of the tire vibrations and noise radiation. In a first step, I try to characterize the vibrations of the tire. This can be done by means of tiny sensors that are glued to the inside of the tire. By means of some additional equipment, I'm able to transfer the data and analyze the vibration shapes. In a second step, I look at the noise that the tire is producing. So there are two types of noise. First of all, you have the noise produced by the tread profile, but this is not the case here. I look just at smooth tires and I look at how the vibration of the structure produces noise. One possibility to actually measure the noise is by means of the ISO noise test. The ISO noise test stipulates a specific type of road, two microphones at a specific height and distance, and a car passing by at a defined speed. The ISO noise test measured the noise at the site when the car passes by. So this was the experimental part. There's also a numerical part, simulations. Simulations allow me to do the same thing without actually having to build the tire itself. The combined knowledge, the final results from experiments and simulations allow me to change the tire structure and hopefully obtain a more silent tire.